We finally learned late today why TARK is selling off the building, the Nia Center. Goodwill plans to turn it into affordable housing. WHS 11 teams Jose Alonso and photojournalist Emma Gefter were covering a protest over the longtime center when the new details finally came out.
Tenants of the Nia Center held signs saying stop TARK from displacing businesses and how do you place people by displacing people on the front steps of their property owner, the Transit Authority of River City's headquarters.
I think some type of compromise will make this whole situation better.
So we figured, this isn't really a protest, but we figured we bring the community conversation to TARK. Since TARK isn't able to, doesn't want to, doesn't care, whatever, to come down to our end of Broadway.
The Nia Center houses several small businesses and nonprofits in West Louisville. On Wednesday, the center's neighbor, Goodwill Kentucky, and TARK officially announced the sale and plan to create 76 permanent affordable apartments. In a statement, TARK's executive director, Ozzie Gibson, says, quote, "We saw a meaningful opportunity to support that vision. We are also thrilled that Norton Healthcare is considering expanding its healthcare services in West Louisville as part of this plan." The Nia Center has been a staple for the West Louisville community and houses both new and long-term tenants, just like this one, Shawnee Transformation Youth Coalition, also known as STIK, who's been here for about 8 years.
So STIK is about prevention. So it's about preventing violence, preventing unnecessary deaths or injuries. We have 7 different gun cases. We have the crossbody, we have the TSA approved travel boxes.
The executive director, Angela Hollingsworth, also made her voice heard in front of TARK. She says the loss of their office means less personal communication with youth.
Just because of the traffic here at Nia, we have recruited some of the young people just because their parents were downstairs. We will probably have to work from home for a minute and then find a spot that we will actually engage with the youth.
Although tenants of the center won't have to pay rent until their given move-out day of December 1st, they wish they had transparency and a seat at the table for this large sale. In West Louisville, Jose Alonso, WHAS 11 Night Team on your side.
Also in that news release out late today, Louisville Metro Government, which manages the Nia Center, is working with tenants on their relocation. Norton Healthcare, by the way, a neighbor there at 28th and Broadway, says they continue to look for ways to increase access to health services, and any expansion adjacent to their new West Louisville hospital is a logical location.